So guys, I have a Toyota Sequoia 2015 model. The problem of this car is no start, only cranking. But no start. The problem is the fuel pump control module is not working. Let's check. This is the fuel pump relay. Fuel pump relay is good. So I go to the fuel pump control module. So this is the position. The fuel pump control module. I check the supply, there's no supply. It's located at the top of the tire, spare tire. So this is the control module or the fuel pump control module, and let's check this color black wire. It came from the relay. There's a supply. So I use this light came from negative battery. So there's a supply. So this is came from the relay, and this is color blue is to the fuel pump. So there is no supply here. It means this fuel pump control module is need to replace. Let's remove this socket. So guys, I put a new one fuel pump module, but new one. So let's now start the car. Bye. It's my friend from Bangladesh. So let's start the car. So let's try to start the car. If it is work, I need to replace the fuel pump module. It's a second hand, not a new. That's good. It's a Toyota Sequoia 2015 model. And switch up. Start. Okay, that's good. It's only the fuel pump module problem, not the fuel pump.